Norecia here from Options Trading University with another mini tutorial. Please do me a favor, like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you can receive easy access to all of our videos. Today, you're going to learn how to receive email and text notifications on the Thinkorswim platform. So let me just switch over to my Thinkorswim screen and share it with you. Okay, so this is your chart, and you go to setup right up here next to the parts where you have to minimize and stuff. So just go to setup, click on it, application settings, and then this comes up. Go to notifications, and here I have my phone number because I want I want it to come directly to my phone, and you can also set it up to send an email. Okay, and that's it. And then you just apply the setting and you're done. I'll see you in the next video.